It'll be a 2v1, Kuba and me versus. Okay. Missed call. I'm coming in. We're what city are you guys in? I want to 1v1 you. It'll be a 1v1v1.
Deathmatch. What are you doing? That's what I'm trying to do. Taking a really long time to kill it though. You're like rocking back and forth.
Can you even shoot a gun that or no? Well, why are you 1v1ing him in the air and he's gonna?
What are you doing? Oh my god, this is so gay. I'm gonna be out of ammo soon.
Oh, then Mac can strike.
It probably will. With how it's flying.
Coming in. I'll be in a second.
I have a PDW now, so.
Hey, I spawned in Kamenka. I spawned in Kamenka. Where do I go? I'm in Kamenka in like this giant thing on like the railroad.
On my way, Brad.
Wait, you died? Can you guys seriously pick me up, please? Please come pick me up.
Do you see me yet?
Probably. Yeah. Yeah. I found a vehicle, guys. I'm coming. But it's a freaking Volkswagen, but it's still German made, so it's all good. JDM Volkswagen. Okay.
Stop. Hey, boy. Administrator was killed. Oh my god, dude.
Wait, who is that?
Pull up! Pull up! Oh my
Hey, Kuba, how do you fly a helicopter? Kuba, how do you fly a helicopter?
That was really funny. It started like smashing out when you jumped out.
All these choppers suck. I'm just gonna take this UAV. UAZ. I'll be over there shortly.
What? Well, that's why when I was shooting at you from up top, when you were flying above me. Oh.
I'm probably like the worst pilot ever, so don't if you see me explode. Oh crap, it's starting in 10 minutes.
I honestly don't know where you are.
Damn it, all these freaking choppers are like literally dead. That's not funny, you freaking idiot. Why would you even think of
talking
that?
about Tyler? Why is everyone talking about Tyler? Why?
Well, he's actually dead, but somehow he defies everything and he's actually alive. So, it's really weird. Oh my god, all these choppers are dead. I mean, all these choppers are Tyler.
Cool, where are you, fag? Wait, you actually went inside the city? Why'd you go inside? Why'd you go inside, you fag? Yeah, I don't know why you went inside, though. I was never inside the city. I don't know why you went inside the city. Because I was never there.
Wait, I'm coming really soon, wait.
Nuh-uh. Bradley, are you here yet?
I'm going through Chuno. I'm smashing into walls and my wheel's like red almost. It's not good.
Are you still inside the city?
No, don't get in the bell. I'll be there soon, please. Matt, please don't leave. Well, wait. Actually, I'll come to the coast in my Jeep.
Wait, what?
Hey Matt, like, can you like start coming towards Juno, please? I'm running to the coast.
Not gonna sit in the open and just let you spray at me. I was.
Mac, I'm in like a little like it's like a dip that goes inside. Like, it's like a water, like a little dip that goes inside the place.
What?
It's like a dip into the land.